the next load to platform 2. Roger that. Crane 3 is moving now. Watch the clearance on the scanner.
The efficiency here is holding steady at 98%. Good. Let's keep an eye on that debris chute for any blockages.
The brightness levels are fluctuating here. I'm adjusting the peroxide flow now.
Here in the refining room, the cellulose fibers are mechanically brushed to increase softness and bonding strength. Check the viscosity reading on the main screen.
It's holding steady at 400 centipoise.
Good, the blend is optimized.
Check the consistency on the readout. Looks stable at 0.5%.
Look at this reading on the panel.
The moisture profile looks uneven. I'll adjust the controls. Alignment is stable at 99.8%. Noted. Keep monitoring the tension.
The accuracy count is holding steady at 99%.
Good, let's maintain this speed until the next shift. Placement looks good on screen 3. Yeah, alignment is holding steady.
We're maintaining the target rate for this shift.
The new stacking pattern is definitely improving stability.
Is that one secure yet? Yeah, just finished strapping it. Send the next one in. $50 cases confirmed on the scanner.
Okay, matches the manifest. Here is your copy.
Perfect, we can slot these right in. Make sure the labels are all facing out.
Oh, look, they have the mega rolls-ons on sale.
Did you find everything all right today? Yes, thank you.